Hi guys, my name is Tina. Karibuni sana to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make flat twists. Yani, lines za twists. So, I'll start with clean hair. Nywele yangu nilikuwa nimeiosha ni safi and it has some leftover moisture, so I'll not moisturize. So sasa I'll go ahead nigawe line ya kwanza because I need 6 lines. Ndio hairstyle yangu itokee poa. So kutengeneza hii line ya nini ya twist is not that hard. So I'll just take the portions mbili. Ndachukua portions mbili and then I'll twist down. So nachukua bit moja naeka over the other one hivo until nimalize. It's not very hard. Ni kama tu nini lines hizi za kawaida tu cornrows. Unaona hizi za kawaida you use 3 portions, but now hapa ya twist unatumia tu mbili. By the way, kama hujaijaribu it's worth a trial na tukangaikiwa supu sana. Na ukitaka nywele yako ikuwe much more neater, you can use gel, but for my case here sitakuwa nikitumia gel because na feel kama nimekuwa nikitumia gel for quite a long time, so I'll just make without gel. But for you, you can try. You can either choose to do gel or you can choose just to do it like I've just done it. But now the disadvantage with kutoweka gel is that your hair is not going to hold for long. Maybe the longest it can just go for 1 week. So kama unataka maybe kuserve maybe for 8 days, 9 days, hivyo unaweza weka gel. So I'll go ahead nigawe the second line. So sina skills zangu za kugawa, I am still perfecting them. So I'll just go ahead. Nasi ngumu, you just take 2 portions and there I'm on it. Na naona inatokea vizuri, so furaha kwangu. Ndafanya hivyo hadi nimalizie. So hapo hivyo mwisho nitatengeneza ikue like spring twist. So I want 6 lines and I want at least a style flani hapo, ka design flani katokea hapa mbele. So I'll just go straight ahead to the other side and then nigawe and then nita hold the rest of the hair and then I'll make a line over there. So sijui which side unapatanga ikiwa easier kujisonga. For me, I find my right easier than my left. So hii side ingine I was struggling. So sometimes napatanga line hazifanani, unapata right, maybe you did a good job, but ukikuja kwa left because you are struggling and you are extra careful, unapata ziko much more better. Mimi sijui experience yako, maybe you can share your experience hapo hivyo kwa comment. Tujue. So my hair is a typical 4C hair. Venye unaiona ukimwagilia maji hivi inashikana, inakuwa tu kaugali kabisa. So you can see vile huko nyuma inatokea. So now I'm done with 4. So I'm remaining with 2 more. So at this point I'm just sitting to see. It's trial and error nione kama aka style katatokea because skills za kugawa pia ziko chini. So I'll go ahead and do my 5th line. At this point nilikuwa na feel kama nimechoka mkono, kuganda mkono. Is it do it yourself as kwangi rahisi. So I'll go then to my final section. Ndio nimalizie. I think hapa hivi katikati ya nywele yangu ndo napatanga kuna kwanga nywele imetangu sana. Too much that even when I'm doing anything to do maybe with styling naona ni ngumu. So I'll go ahead and attach an addition hapo hivyo nyuma. So hizi ni Malay braids, so I just twisted them cause hazikuwa refu sana, so nimeopt kuzishikanisha kwa one tip. So I'm putting a bladder on one tip. Nilikosa bladder ya black, but I would encourage you to use a black one. Yes, then I'll go ahead and attach a hairband. I'm lucky this time around. I got a hairband that was black in color. And then after that, I'll just hold the hairband and then I'll tie down. Nitaishikanisha na nywele yangu vizuri so that I can be able to make a bun. So I'll start with the first Malay twist, and then I roll, and then I'll go to the second one, I roll and tuck. So napatanga Malay braid is a bit easy to use. Napatanga tu ni rahisi. It blends so nice with natural hair. So that's why I prefer it. But this is number 1 and my hair is a bit my hair is almost number 2. But anyway, I used it, so I'm going to go ahead and lay these edges. Ndio at least hairstyle yangu itoke vizuri. And that is my final product. At least I naweza tafuta rada ya harusi. Yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. That was my final product. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.